Hello, my dear students. How are you? Good. Very nice. Studying through online classes? Very good. So, today we will study chapter 21 of your EVS textbook, Food and Fun. As this name suggests, this chapter will tell us about some fun facts of the things when we eat food together. In previous chapter as well, we learned how we enjoyed food together in various occasions like your class party or through midday meal or by celebrating festivals together. So this story is of two students, Divya and Swastik, who studied in a boarding school. My dear students, in a boarding school, students or children stay away from their family and parents, but they stay together with many more children of their age and they really enjoy a lot. They told Manpreet about hostel rooms, that how they stay together in one room. Also, they discussed about how much they enjoy eating food together in boarding schools. As you can see in the picture, all the students are enjoying food together on one table only. After all this discussion, they went to Gurdwara. In Gurdwara, they learned how food for everyone is made in their big kitchen and in very big vessels. You can see in the picture how food for everyone is made in this big utensils. Also, they learned that everyone contributes in some way or the other. Some arrange for the material, like they arrange for flour or pulses, spices, etc. Some give money to buy these material and others help in work. As you can see in the picture, few ladies are making chapatis for Gurdwara. Eating food together in Gurdwara is called langar. Everyone sits in lines and they are served food. But one main thing that they have to keep it in their mind is they have to take food only that much they can eat. Nothing should be left in their plates. And also, one very important point, my dear students, we should offer gratitude to God and our parents before eating food. You know very well why so? Because whatever we are today and what we are eating, what we have with us, it's all because of our parents and God. So, my dear students, always offer your prayers before eating your food. And now the most important part, never waste your food. Think before you waste food. Why? Because whatever you are eating and whatever you are leaving in your plates and it's being wasted, even a lot of many kids, many people are there who don't have enough food and those desire for such food. So my dear students, never waste your food. Always take that much quantity that you can consume properly. And to keep a check on this thing, like a lot of food is wasted during marriages, functions and in restaurants. So a few NGOs are working in this waste of food management waste. So few names are Ashray Adhikar Abhiyan, Gautam Gambhir Foundation, Roti Bank, Delhi Langar Seva Society. So my dear students, what we learned in this chapter, we have learned that we should offer our gratitude to God and to our parents before eating our food. Secondly, we should never ever waste our food. We should take that much quantity only that we can consume easily. And always enjoy food together with your friends. So that's all for today. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you, kids.